you're interested in a career in the video game industry, we have a program for you at George Brown College. The important thing to remember is there are many different types of careers in this industry, and they range from the highly technical to the very creative. If you're interested in the programming languages that go into creating video game, then game programming is for you. For those interested in the principles and techniques of video game art creation, then the 3-year Game Art Diploma is a great choice. In your final year, the programs will partner together to create an incredible video game project. We also have 2 1-year postgraduate programs. Concept Art, which focuses on conceptualizing and driving the production process of video, games and film, and Digital Design, Game Design, which focuses on the project management of video games.
George Brown has prepared me extensively for the industry, or entering the industry. I've used every form of digital art and tool to create digital art. And then on top of that, I've worked specifically with game designers and creating assets that are used in-game.
Some of the skills I learned while I was at George Brown included the ability to sort of take and apply a variety of different programming languages, including C++ and Java, in addition to enhancing my communication and teamwork skills.
We have such a close relationship with industry. Many of our faculty work in the industry themselves.
When I looked online and started comparing the different programs, one of the things that I saw George Brown offered were development skills and things like the Unreal Engine and real-world actual stuff that is used now in the industry. So being able to get my hands on that stuff and be able to learn with the tools that we're actually using was a big benefit.
The education at George Brown I thought was fantastic. It was a lot more applied than university, I found, and it was teaching me skills that I could instantly and directly use in the industry.